Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, Isma's World of Crafts. In this video, I am going to show you how to make paper soaps. The things we needed are tissue, scissors, brush and soap solution. To make it easy, I cut the tissue paper into 4 square pieces. Then we should apply the soap solution into the tissue paper. Repeat the procedure in all tissue papers. Now let's try it. Okay guys, now it's dry. Let's cut the tissue paper into small pieces. Now our paper soap is ready. Now let's try the paper soap. We can carry the paper soap easily when we go out. Thank you friends for watching my video. I hope that you all enjoyed my video. Please do support me by subscribing my channel. Bye bye.